Hey, welcome back to Emerald Coasting. Today we're going to talk about what I came up with for an external battery for my GoPro when I do night lapse or time lapse. So hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please like, please subscribe. So everybody knows these small GoPro batteries don't last very long. I needed a solution for doing time lapse. So I went on Amazon and I found me this nice little external battery pack. What makes this one unique is it has the female quarter 20 in the bottom of it. I took an adhesive GoPro mount, stuck up here on the top, and now I can mount it to a tripod and mount the GoPro right on top. Okay, so here it is mounted up. I've got it on a Gorilla Pod right now. It'll mount to pretty much any tripod. There's your battery. Your GoPro's mounted right here. And your quarter 20 goes in right on the bottom. Great little solution. Just remember, when you have the door off of your GoPro, it's no longer waterproof. This battery pack is not waterproof. The battery pack was about $16, I think, on Amazon. I'll place a link in the description below. If you want to go check it out, you can. The adhesive mount came with the GoPro, so I've never used them, and I finally found out a reason to use it. So works great. Took a nice little time lapse today, and I'll show it to you here now. Okay, you'll probably get about 7 hours between your GoPro battery and the battery pack. I haven't run this all the way down. I used it for about 4 hours this morning. I think I was down to just one of the lights off. One of the things I did notice about this battery pack, these little lights here. If you're doing night lapses, take a piece of tape, get you some electrical tape, put over the top. They're very bright. And that light will get back into your lens. So you might want to get you a little electrical tape and just put over the top. You get a little glow from the orange here. You can either take and paint this black, or you can wrap you some tape around it. It's not bright enough really to affect anything as far as a night lapse. But if you're really picky about it, that's an option. It's about the only downside to this battery pack. It's really inexpensive, and like I say, it worked great today. So, hope you enjoyed the video, hope you learned a little something, got an idea from it, and we'll catch you next time.